Kajala Megalaya HADUH Kashibaji Mensingi Jonga Khandai Tarik Unaila Arhaja Arpo Kaladan Live Khandai Ngot Kibiyo Thamayo COVID-19 Ban Riu Pinyongot Kiblok Koit No Director ke DHS MI Ulapente Banagini ki Live Khandai Ngot Kibiyo Thamai Khat Prangut Kidei na East Khasi District Hagaba Arngut Kidei na ka Armed Force Khan Riu Ngot Kiriu Paitba Arpo Ngot Nari Boy District Hagaba Nyongot Kidei na ka Armed Force Bar Khat Lai Ngot Kiriu Paitba Bar Iwe Idei na East Giant Hills District Nagini ki Riu Pinyongot ki Bakoit Mentangasngi Sanpu Arngut Kidei na East Khasi District Hagaba Sanpu Ngot Kidei ki Shipai BSF Iwe Riu Paitba Khalai ngut kidei na East Giant Hills District but Arngut Kiriu Paitba Nari Boy District Dakajinga Thamai kini ki live khandai ngut ke Jala Megalaya HADUH Bapimi yakani ka khobor kadan Shiajan Ripu Artali ki positive case Sanspa an Ripun Riutali ki active case Southpa Khandai Photali ki recovered case ban ringut ki blakhlat no Nakini ki Sanspa an Ripun Riutali ki active case ke East Khasi District kadan Southpa Khandai Tali Hakaba Khandai Puengut Kidei ki Shipai BSF Aspan Ripungut Kiriu Paitba Ban Ripu Prangut Naka Armed Force Ka West Khasi District Kadan Riutali ki active case Riboy District Prapulai West Giant Hills Khatsan East Giant Hills Hendriu West Garo Hills Laipuway Southwest Garo Hills North Garo Hills but South Garo Hills ki Denmark Artali ki active case.
The new cases for today is 39 and out of this 39 the breakup is as given. East Khasi Hills 18, out of this 18 2 are from the armed forces, 6 migrant contact, 6 are returnees, 1 is a tourist taxi driver, 3 are contacts of one of the positive case in Mopat cluster. Riboy 20, 7 are armed forces, 1 is an operator at CMJ Breweries, Burnie Hut, and 12 are contacts of this operator. East Giant Hills, 1 high-risk contact of one of the patient at Robert Hospital.